Here's a story related to the style statement that politicians like to flaunt. Yes, it's the style statement of the high and the mighty, but a menace for the rest of the society. Supreme Court has once again reiterated its stand on the misuse of the Lal Battis, issuing a terse message to the centre to amend the rules within 6 months. But the arrogance of the political class is still unwavering as they refuse to let go of the symbol of power.
They disgrace the national flag with a scuffle over who'll unfurl it. He pulled a gun at a man who simply did his duty by asking him to pay toll. And he is accused of harassing a woman enough to drive her to suicide. But they all have a privilege that puts them above you. The Lal Batti, a status symbol, a relic of the Raj that makes those meant to serve the public believe they are above them. But the top court has red flagged this VIP culture, limiting those that can have Lal Battis on their cars to high dignitaries and those with constitutional posts.
The reason why I thought these issues need to be raised is we now need to get the India of 21st century off this Raj quasi-feudal mentality and make it a true republic.
Red means emergency, and it is for emergency, it is for pilot cars, it's to make way. Red car is to make way. Siren and red light is to make way. And not muscle your way through because you are so and so.
Few hours after the order, Times now catching how a bureaucrat's son brazenly abuses a Lal Batti car.
I have no idea. I just came right now, so I don't know.
This is not a government car. First of all, you are using it in an Innova, which is not a government car. And on top of that, you are not a member of parliament. You are not authorized or entitled to it. Are you using it for your own personal purpose?
No, I'm just going home now.
You're going home for what do you do? Are you part of the ministry?
No, I'm preparing for IAS now.
The move to curtail the feudal privilege being met with resistance.
तो खाली लाल बत्ती ही अकेला एक सिंबल है जिससे फ्यूडलिज्म टपकता है और इनइक्वलिटीज का ये सिंबल है.
We have to follow the law. See, no, I am not talking about myself. I am talking about everybody. I am just saying there was a law that was being abided with.
Across the nation, though, the Supreme Courts have hailed the common man who's always at the receiving end of this elitist attitude.
Politicians feel that they are above us. They should be to feel that they are here to serve the public.
एक डिफरेंस आ जाती है जो वो एक हाई लेवल के आदमी हो गए और हम लोग एक लो लेवल के एक आम आदमी हो गए.
A country which needs to move ahead economically, I don't think we should be wasting our resources here.
जो लाल बत्ती राजनेताओं को और उनके परिवार वालों को दी जाती थी वो उसका दुरुपयोग करते थे और वो किसी भी ट्रैफिक रूल्स का उपयोग नहीं करते थे.
With the Supreme Court setting the ground rules, isn't it time to call curtains on this culture of entitlement that plagues India's high and mighty? Bureau Report, Times Now.